Wash and dry in one step without transferring clothes to the dryer. Simply start the washer and select one-step wash and dry. Then when the wash is finished, fresh air will automatically tumble dry a small load of laundry, so your clothes get dried without the dryer.
Is it enough to just clean the surface of your clothes? Invisible fungus and bacteria are hiding in your clothes. A healthy and clean solution from Panasonic. Blue AG Plus Bacteria Elimination Technology. OH radicals and silver ions Ag+ attack fungus and bacteria effectively. Double disinfection for more reassurance. Panasonic Blue Ag+ Bacteria Elimination Technology.
Whirlpool tumble dryers care for clothes whilst cutting down energy costs. Heat pump technology means the machine doesn't have a heating element, so operates at lower temperatures compared to traditional dryers. This, combined with our unique 3-dry technology, provides multiple flows of warm air, delicately drying whilst protecting your clothes from shrinkage. The 6th Sense technology uses intelligent sensors to maintain consistent humidity and drying levels. Steam Care technology puts an end to ironing by circulating steam inside the drum, reviving fabrics and making them softer and ready to wear with fewer creases. With exceptional quality and performance, the Whirlpool Tumble Dryer range offers complete peace of mind.
Yeah. cycle you want to use. Press the